Hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you're in my hangout. Today, we are again in my What's It room. And today, we are taking a look at, well, I picked up a few things from Temu. We're going to open these up and take a look for ourselves. So now I did get something for when I make a jewelry store. Because I got a bag of these. That way I can kind of have them showing, well, here, let's try a necklace on. So they can show necklaces. That most of them probably fit better than that, but still. Oh, and I think this one came with, what, 5? 1, 2, 3. Yep, came with 5 of them. And that should be enough for a jewelry store, right? Right. I did get this for Barbie's wedding because, well, I think she'd want something kind of cute. Okay, so here are the underwear. See, and they don't look super tiny. They fasten in the back, yeah. So let's try these on. I'm going to try not to do any real doll nudity here. And here's the little top. It's a simple little top. So let's try this on. Put this on the doll. Here we go. Go from the back. So she can keep her modesty. If nothing else, they're also just kind of a pretty pair of underwear. And yes, my dolls do have underwear. Okay. These were very inexpensive, so, you know. And this looks about what I thought it looked like. It looks like it does in the pictures and everything. And so, you know, I'm not going to grump about the quality on this. So, all right. So here's the underwear in the top. Okay, yeah. All right, now we'll try this little thing on, which I thought looked cute, and it fastens in the back, so let's try that. So I guess we just kind of slip her into it. All right, here we go. Oh, I like it on her. It just looks nice. All right, I'm glad. I'm relieved about that. I also ordered just the one. I should have ordered more. I wanted to, but I didn't. But I wanted just one of those sweatshirts I've been seeing around. Oh, I should have ordered more. This is soft. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I remember it wasn't very much. And I hope none of the people who make these things are listening, but I'd have paid more than I paid for this. Because this is soft. Let's try it on a doll. Okay, so I put Polly in the sweatshirt because I like her to wear some things pink, and she needs a warmer top. She's been wearing this, folks. She definitely needs something warmer. And it fits wonderfully. I'm gonna probably order a couple more of these. And look at this nice big, you know, the hood. Let's put it up over her head. Uh-oh. Here comes Godzilla. Hi, Gandhi. So anyway, but it does fit on her head quite nicely. Gandhi, no, these are not your toys. Come on, Gandhi. Come on. Come on, you. Come on. No. Leave those alone. Come on, you. No. Oh, no, you definitely can't play with her hair. Come on. No, wrong way. Okay, your idea of come on and mine are two different things. Okay, and this is what it looks like from the back. So you just pull it over. It's very easy to fit on the doll. I like it a lot. I probably would have liked it better if they'd had the pockets, but that isn't a game changer, and I still really like it. And for the price, I think it's well worth it. Let's try another outfit. All right, now I have this look on her, and it came with the skirt, this little blouse, and this top, and it has these little buttons, and she came with these partial stockings. I actually like this. It fits her absolutely perfectly. I did order a little purse, but I thought it looked kind of cute. You see? Yeah, I like it. Okay, yeah, that works. I would normally never, ever go for stuff like this, but I thought it would be kind of amusing for the dolls. So I'm gonna put these on them. I'll be right back. So before I go showing off all the outfits, I'm gonna show. These came with the gold outfit, so I didn't put them on the doll, but they did come with it, and they're okay. They're all right. And then with the gold, they also sent this silver purse, which is okay. So now I have the first one, and normally I would never have gone for these, but I just, for some reason, I was feeling amused when I saw them, so yeah. So here's the first one. And yes, it's supposed to be obviously a lot like the Barbie movie one, except it isn't as nice. But it's, for the price, it isn't bad. It fastens in the back, and it's easy to get on. And if you're looking for kind of a disco-y outfit, it'll work. And this outfit did come with those shoes, that purse, 2 bracelets, and a set of earrings. I tried to spread some of the jewelry around the others, but the blouse stays up. It fits pretty nicely, actually. And here we go. Here's another one. So I got it in the, in the kind of the magenta, kind of purpley. I'm not sure what color that is, but I thought I'd put it on one of the Millie dolls. And here's the blue outfit. And as you can, all the tops are different. That's another thing I liked about them. So I'm kind of like picturing like a girl band type of thing, and in these disco type clothes with the different tops, but which is why I we'll see. And then here's the last one. So now on these tops, you can see that they're not finished around some of the edges, but that's okay. But they are finished on the edges, around the waist and the legs and the bottom. But maybe it would have looked too bulky if they tried finishing up there, but it's okay because I don't think that this is going to fray. And all the clothes fasten in the back. And they go on very easy, honestly. So now I like this one for her because, well, she has the pink hair, so I thought she should wear the pink outfit. All right, so this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for stopping by. Well, we got to take a look at some clothes, at some fashions from Temu. So we got to take a look at these various colored disco outfits, and all of them have different tops. They were not very expensive, and I think they're cute. And I've got my own girl band now. Got to get something for Barbie's, wedding night later on. And this is cute too, and if you don't want to use it for that, it's still pretty underwear. And I like underwear for the dolls. We also got a nice cozy sweatshirt, which I love. It's so soft. It really is. It's really soft. Got a cute little purse, and and a little more of a businessy kind of outfit as well. And I like it quite a bit. I also got a couple other little things for my businesses. So now if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, why don't you become a subscriber? It's free. You just hit the little subscribe button down over here. It says subscribe. You go boop, and that's it. You're subscribed. Isn't that nice? Doesn't really make the boop noise though. Fair warning. Okay, I did that. It won't really do that. Sorry. So sharing is caring, and if you would like to share this video with someone who's wondering about Temu, wondering about some of the clothes you can get off of it, definitely, right? Let them know that there are some cool things you can get at a very low price. And definitely comment down below. Let me know what you thought of some of these. Yeah, it's just, yeah, talk to me. If you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer. So thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate you giving me some of the time out of your day to watch this video. And I hope you all have a fantastic day, night, morning, whatever it is. I do hope it's fantastic. And I'm going to let you go, and I'm out of here. So goodbye.